Hello, welcome. Let us understand how to take a thread dump using a tool called VisualVM. VisualVM was a part of JDK in JDK version 8 or earlier. Now it is not a part of JDK. We need to separately download and install it. Let us understand how you can download and install the VisualVM. Installation is quite straightforward. Visit this particular URL. I will provide this URL link in the resource section of this lecture, and then based on your operating system, download the required version. If it's a Mac OS DMG file, or if you are on Windows, you can download the zip file and extract and use it. Installation is very straightforward and simple. You can just click on the downloaded file and you can install it. I am using a Mac OS. I have already installed a VisualVM on my PC. Let me open the VisualVM. Command spacebar, VisualVM. This is the start page of the VisualVM. Here under local you can find two applications which are running. Local means this system which I am using right now, that is my personal computer. VisualVM, this tool itself is also a Java based application, hence it is showing here. And here it is showing one more application, executable main. If I double click on this, you can see here it is running on the port 8080 in the local host. If you go to system properties, you can see here jenkins.var. I have a Jenkins installed on my computer, which is also a Java based application, hence it is showing that application here, right? If I go to my local host 8080, you can see Jenkins is up and running. That's why this process is shown here. That's why this application is shown here. Now you can also monitor here various parameters: CPU, memory, classes, threads, etc. You can also uncheck whichever you don't want. For example, if you just want to only look at the CPU, then you can uncheck all these other things. Now let me try to log in and check whether it is increasing any CPU usage or not. So I have logged in. You can see sudden increase in the CPU usage. Since I logged in here, the login process will take some CPU. That's why sudden spike in the CPU you can see here. Similarly, memory usage also you can see sudden spike here, right? Classes loaded, here also slight spike in the number of classes that has been loaded, right? Also threads, here you can see spike here, right? JMeter is also a Java based application. Once I open the JMeter, it should show in the VisualVM. Let me open the JMeter, sh space jmeter.sh. you can see here Apache JMeter is opened here, and this is a JMeter, another process ID you can see, because here the job is running, which is a performance testing script, which is also using a JMeter in the background, right? Our main focus is how to take a thread dump using VisualVM. Once you select the required Java application here, you go to thread section here and you can click on this thread dump. It has taken a thread dump at this particular time, 2:01:05 PM, and you can search here now. You can Control F and you can find whatever is required here, right? You can search here using Command F or a Control F, and you can find whatever information that you want to find in the thread dump. Also you can right click and select all, and you can copy this and you can copy it in a separate file, maybe text file, for your analysis purpose. This is how you can take a thread dump using VisualVM. Here our main focus is to understand how to take a thread dump using VisualVM. There are some other options available in VisualVM as well. You can connect to remote machine, you can analyze the VM core dumps, you can also analyze the JFR snapshots. JFR snapshot means Java flight recording, and you can also analyze the snapshot. Snapshot means at any particular point of time what is the status of a thread and all those details. Our focus is not to go deeper into these tools. Our focus is to understand how to take a thread dump. But in your organization, if you are using this tool, you can do some R&D here, you can explore this tool, and you will be able to easily learn in 1 or 2 weeks of time. As we have discussed earlier, there are a lot of tools available in the market for taking a thread dump. It is not practical to go deeper into each tool, because in your organization, you will just be using one tool for a particular purpose. In your organization, if you are using this tool, you can do some R&D and explore the options available here. So in this particular URL, you will find the VisualVM documentation. You can click on the required section and you will be able to find the information you required here. If you are using this particular tool, or if you want to use this particular tool in your organization, you can go through this link and explore some of the options. I will provide this download link as well as this documentation link in the resource section of this lecture. Thank you for watching.